Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super important for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to a cold wallet in 2025. Why bother? Well, cold wallets keep your assets offline and safe from hackers, which is crucial in today's digital world. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your cold wallet set up and ready to go. This could be a hardware wallet like a Ledger or Trezor. If you haven't got one yet, pause this video and sort that out. It's a game changer for security. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Go to the Coinbase website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, let's say it's Bitcoin. Step 2. Find your cold wallet's receiving address. On your cold wallet device, generate a new receiving address. This is usually done by connecting it to your computer and using the wallet's software. Double check that you're copying the right address. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds. Step 3. Back on Coinbase, go to the Send or Withdraw option for your selected asset. Paste the receiving address from your cold wallet into the field provided. You'll also need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, Coinbase might charge a network fee, so check that before proceeding. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Make sure the address is correct and the amount is right. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through two-factor authentication for added security. Finally, once the transaction is initiated, keep an eye on it. It might take a few minutes to a few hours to confirm on the blockchain. You can check the status using a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com. And there you have it. That's how you safely transfer your crypto from Coinbase to a cold wallet in 2025. Always prioritize security, and if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.